Hey everybody, welcome back to the Information and Technology and Esports Workshop. In part 1, Zach did a great job at summarizing esports technology and hardware within esports. In part 2 of this workshop, we'll be discussing advancements in esports technology and emerging technologies within esports. More specifically, in part 2 of this workshop, we'll be covering slides 10 through 17 of the materials provided, reviewing the advancements in esports technology and how they've helped the industry grow rapidly, and briefly discussing emerging technologies and how they may help significantly grow the industry in the future. The 3 advancements in technology that we'll be discussing that have helped accelerate the growth of the esports industry are broadcast production, competition platforms, and data analytics and management. Firstly, we'll start with broadcast and production. People often ask us, what do I need to stream esports-related content? We usually tell them you need a PC, console, and streaming software for the basics. Not only will this help you play your game, but it will help you locally capture and broadcast out to the internet. In addition to this, you'll obviously need an internet connection so that you can broadcast live to an audience around the world. We also often recommend having a microphone and a camera to help improve the quality of your overall stream and to help you better interact with the people watching at home. Larger broadcasts within the esports industry typically have multiple camera angles, special lighting, and special editing software to help enhance the overall quality of the broadcast. If you're not a large broadcast studio like E-League or Turner Studios, then you'll typically be broadcasting from home on one of 3 platforms. These 3 platforms are Twitch.tv, Facebook Gaming, and YouTube Gaming. Using these platforms and the hardware mentioned, people have started to grow their brand not only domestically but internationally. This has helped esports garner worldwide attention and increased awareness of the industry year over year. Not only can content creators, esports players, and teams now create more content due to platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook Gaming, but they can also play in more competitions due to the advancements in online tournament platforms. Platforms such as Challenger Mode, League Spot, and Mainline have made it possible for esports players and content creators to compete in tournaments on almost a daily basis. Additionally, esports-specific facilities like Esports Stadium Arlington and the Esports Arena have allowed spectators and esports competitors to have a more desirable competition experience while they're in person. And finally, anti-cheat software has enhanced the integrity of esports competitions by giving admins the tool to better referee both in-person and online competitions. One of the final advancements in esports technology that we'll talk about today is data analytics and management. Data has been used in esports to improve the viewership experience for spectators, improve viewership for content creators, and improve esports athletes' performance and improve gameplay. Advancements in data scraping tools and APIs have allowed data scientists to take large quantities of data online, analyze them, visualize them, and then store them on the cloud so that they can be transferred around the world. After this data is stored on the cloud, it can be shipped anywhere globally for esports athletes and content creators to utilize to enhance performance, viewership, and gameplay. An example of analytics being used to increase esports athlete performance is a software called Mobalytics. Mobalytics is currently available for titles such as League of Legends, TFT, Legends of Runeterra, and Valorant, and allows players to use their in-game data to analyze their strengths and weaknesses so that they better know what to improve on in practice. Now that we've discussed the advancements in technology that have accelerated the growth of the esports industry, we can't forget to discuss the emerging technologies within esports that will impact gaming and potentially the entire world in the future. For example, EEG technology and eye tracking software is starting to be utilized by organizations and players to track performance and brain activity to enhance their overall gameplay and to better understand what's going on cognitively as they play. Other advancements in technology such as AR/VR and brain-computer interface are not only going to impact the way you game in the future, but could impact the way you interact with the world around you. So in summary, within the Information and Technology Workshop, we've gone over hardware and technology in esports, advancements in technology in esports, and emerging technologies within esports and gaming. I hope you learned something in these videos and hope to see you in future workshops. And remember, keep learning through gaming.